Good afternoon, everybody. Final forecast coming up for the Valentine's Day system. Here's here's what I'm thinking. Not a huge deal. It's a little more optimistic earlier in the week, especially for central and southern Indiana. But anyway, for as little snow as we've had this year, it's still going to be something. Would hope that most people that make a living plowing snow will actually be a benefit from this system. So where I'm looking at the heaviest snow to fall would be right around I-39. It's somewhere around there, and then points west, especially in Iowa here. They seem to be in line for the most snow before the low up here moves its way as you can see it weakening as it heads toward Indiana, of course. Like, if this could hold together like I thought it might have been earlier in the week, we'd all be pretty happy right now that the people that want snow. But instead it's weakened significantly to where by the time it gets in Ohio it's almost nothing. So anyway, that's my reasoning for the 3 to 5 west of I-39. East of I-39 I'm going 2 to 4 right in through here, and including Indianapolis 2 to 4 as well. You can see in northwest Indiana here the lighter amounts for some, because I live here, so we're not going to get as much, for the latest model runs. And you can see southern Wisconsin, I'm going with 1 to 3, except maybe, and I didn't put this in my post, but maybe the far southwest corner of Wisconsin, probably in the 2 to 4 range, especially east of I-39 and not east, west of I-39 and just west of Janesville maybe. So I'm not great with my Wisconsin geography being from Indiana. So anyway, that's what we got. Not, like I said, not a super storm, but it's could be enough to create a few travel headaches in that. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out on this map. Bear with me for a second. I'm going to just show what happens here, go in and explain why the system is not as big as what initially thought. Here we go. We got a low here, a low pressure system develops here. This low goes like this. This low tracks like this, and as this northern system here tracks southeast, it really weakens. By the time it gets to Ohio, it fizzles out. This low kind of hangs together, and I'm sure this low must pick up some energy from this one. I haven't really paid much attention because I don't live in West Virginia, so I'm not really, once it gets past our area, I don't really care. But by looking at these amounts, this low down here south does hold together, and you can see the track, and then it just goes up the eastern seaboard, giving this area quite a bit of snow. Originally I was thinking this area here was going to get the significant snow, and these two systems here just never met up. It just didn't happen. So I was expecting it to happen, and it didn't. But anyway, that'll be it. I'll have another update probably sometime early next week on what's going on. I'm tracking another clipper system coming down from Canada around Tuesday, Wednesday. For right now, it looks just south of Chicago area, more of an Indianapolis, Peoria, Illinois, Iowa type system again. But anyways, I'll keep everybody posted, and everybody have a great weekend, and happy Valentine's Day to all.